Come on, Conehead. Hello. Morning, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Dang, it's about Christmas time. That's crazy. Hope you all had a Merry Christmas. Great Thanksgiving, too. We're getting some morning feeding done. And now we're gonna actually clean out that silo. There's about 1,700 bushels in it, not free flowing. We're gonna hook on to the grain vac, which is strategically placed behind that wagon full of pellets. It's a nice day. We got a little dusting of snow last night, but it might be kind of melted by the end of the day, getting up a little above freezing. With there only being 1,700 bushel in here, we are actually gonna pull out of my new bin for the first time to finish loading the second load. Oh my. Alright, well, I've done all I can do. And for me to get in this bin to do a good job cleaning it out, I gotta get through this hole. Well, of course, since we emptied here, there's corn along this door, so we gotta take this off and dump corn through here.
Hold that cap by the cap until you're done, ready, and then I'll got it out of the way and then it wouldn't move anymore. So the belt was laying on the ground here. I picked it up. BX31. It's just, I don't know. So it goes from here to here.
I see. Oh, how do we?
Pump.
How would we? We can't.
I gotta take this. Well, doesn't this come up? Then we can take the.
No, how do we get it around there?
I'm saying we gotta get this belt off.
Well, even with that, there's this thing.
Yep, gotta take that apart too.
It requires work.
Yeah.
Dad's gonna go get a new belt from Storla. Hopefully they got the right size. It's probably a 50-50. And we're gonna drive in this. This is some heavy snow falling. I did not anticipate this. Holy smokes. We're gonna be in line for a while. I assumed poor weather would deter everybody else from hauling corn, but the price did go up a little bit recently, so a lot of people are taking advantage of that, hauling it in. We're inching like a caterpillar. But someday, we'll become a butterfly. Alright, look at this. Sun's coming out. Dad texted me, said he's got the conveyor fixed. That took about 2 hours, but you know, we weren't doing too much today anyway. pulled about 100, 200 bushel out of the new bin, and that was just fine. Got the silo empty. That's great. Dad's gonna take that load in. Alright, we're gonna retreat to the heated shop for the rest of the day. We got these 2 bale feeders in here. Dad's had them for quite a long time, and they each have a coupler at the bottom that came out that we're gonna have to reconnect.
They're on the top and the bottom, in the middle. And I bought these about 30 years ago when I bought these, because they said once in a while you break one. And I didn't break one until Cole got back home. Did you break them?
I'm usually careful with stuff, but I could have broke it.
I see. Anyway, this one isn't broke actually. The bolt came out, so. But getting that lined up and pushed in there is going to be a job, I think.
I don't know if plastic rusts, but maybe lube will still help. Actually, I would say plastic doesn't rust.
There's dirt in there though. That's what's causing an issue. Yep, not broke. To do what?
To catch.
Yeah.
We got to get this hole all the way over to here so we can stick a bolt in. My ratchet straps they've looped so many times they're starting to hit right here, which when you pull on that it makes it unravel.
I was thinking about
Lock washer?
Double nutting it
Okay.
instead. Slappy.
How many Ooga Doogas do you want?
2.
Oh.
Okay, I'll do that one. Okay.
So we got this piece back together and had to replace some of these. Apparently these ain't rust proof and they just fall apart after 30 years.
Yeah, not much forethought there. They duped me. Okay.
Having trouble with that
Well,
ratchet
kind
strap?
of like some help, you know.
Oh.
Just thought that. So, do you want me here or here?
There. Okay. Alright.
I would like to thank Dawn Dish Soap for making this possible. Here we go. Do we have it again?
Yeah. Nice to haul a little corn in, get some jangle in the pocket. fix a couple bale feeders, and call it a deal. Thanks for watching today, folks. Love to see you next time. Have a good one. Oh, lordy.